This video is sponsored by ProDemand from Mitchell1, complete OEM and real-world repair information delivered in a single lookup. For more information and a free demonstration, visit Mitchell1.com.
If you worked at a shop for the past 15 years, you've probably noticed that maintenance is becoming much more important to the bottom line of the shop. But, as you all know, maintenance is more difficult to sell. It requires a proactive approach to look at the vehicle, look at the customer, and look at the customer's needs for that vehicle and what is required to keep that vehicle safe and reliable. You need a special tool to identify these opportunities at your shop, and this is the maintenance module. With the maintenance module, you can identify the maintenance interval for the vehicle. You can identify how many miles are on the vehicle and what's required. And these change for every single vehicle out there. No longer is there the 3,000 mile oil change or the 100,000 mile spark plug. Everything varies depending on the make and model of the vehicle. So it's key to look at these, the intervals, and what is required at 60,000, 50,000, or even 15,000 miles. You may be surprised what is contained inside the service schedule and the opportunities it presents to sell new stuff to your customer. If you open up the One Search bar and you click on the Maintenance tab, you'll see a whole plethora of services and also the maintenance interval schedule for the customer. This way you can target their mileage, what services they need, and also the components that need to be inspected as part of a service. If you go over, you also have access to the locations of the filters and also other information like specifications. What type of oil does the vehicle take? How much oil does it take? By having these up front, when the customer's in front of you, well, it's going to create trust. It's also going to make for a more accurate estimate. But if you're at the front counter and you need more information, well, you also have access in the One Search Plus screen to the technical service bulletins, specifications, and also reset procedures for that vehicle. So when the oil is changed or other services are performed, you can reset all of those parameters on the vehicle. This includes batteries, oil, and other things on the vehicle like TPMS sensors. Just keep this in mind. This is a tool you can use at the front counter and also back in the shop for doing estimates and when you're repairing the vehicle or performing a maintenance service. This is rapid access to information that you need right away to make your shop successful. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.